Welcome back guys! Today's recipe guys, magluluto tayo ng monggo na may gata. So sit back, relax, enjoy watching till the end. So let's start by soaking our monggo for a few hours. Then bring to boil until it's softened. And these are our ingredients: ube, lutia, onion, garlic, chili, ginger, cabbage, squash, dried fish, salt, pepper, and fish sauce, and our coconut milk. It's time to check our monggo. So guys, I think our monggo is now soft. Ginger's in, followed by our onion. Then the garlic, and bring to boil. So next guys, we'll add our lutia, followed by our orange colored ube. Then the squash. And lids on. Let's wait for a few minutes. Then fish sauce in. Salt in. Followed by black pepper. Guys, we add some chillis to add some heat, but this one is actually optional. Lids on and wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to add our dried fish or tuyo. Then followed by our coconut milk. Guys, we used canned coconut milk because this one is readily available in our place. But actually you can use fresh coconut milk. Then slowly mix it and lids on. Again, let's wait for a few minutes. Then finally add our cabbage. Then slowly mix, lids on, and wait for maybe 2 to 3 minutes, then we're done. Look at that! Our homemade monggo with coconut milk and dried fish. Try nyo guys! Baka naman! Wow! Perfectly amazing! Let's take a bite, guys! Yum! So guys, shout out pala natin yung mga dati kong kasamahan. Sila yung nag-request ng dish na ito. So si Jimsley Kabigkis, Rigger Foreman, then Dwight Mutia, dump truck operator and supervisor, and lastly Marlon Magaling, OIC backhoe operator. So guys, ito na yung request nyo. Sana magustuhan nyo po. Thank you! Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye!